everybody, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much if you're a returning subscriber. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the fam. Okay, so excuse me. As you can tell by the title of this video, I am doing a how to pluck that lace tutorial. This is my first how to pluck a lace tutorial in depth, but it's not my first time plucking. So as you can see, I'm going straight up in there. Usually if it's like a closure, I'll just, go straight up in and just move around and pluck. But since this is the frontal, I'm kind of going like section by section without sectioning it off. I'm doing the front first, and you know how they bring you like they come with the little baby hairs already, and I just like split that because that's like the very front is where they pre-pluck it, but like the back, like right after that is that line of demarcation, and we ain't for it. So I'm just parting off that part where they pre-plucked, and then I'm going back, and as you can see, I am just taking my tweezers and just moving around. You want to pluck, this is fast forwarded, but you do want to make sure that you're not going too fast, you're not doing it too hard to pull and rip the lace. Also, after you pluck enough in one section, make sure you do part that section off so you're not just plucking the same part over and over. My tweezers that I'm using here is a slanted tweezers. These aren't the newest tweezers. I didn't just buy them, so it's not like you have to, unless you don't have any, it's not like you have to go out and buy like some brand spanking new tweezers. As long as they're not like super old, I'm pretty sure they'll still work for you. So I'm just going around and around, like back and forth, and not plucking too much in one spot. Like, you always want to keep your tweezers moving. If you don't, you can just have like end up with a bald spot, and that's not cute. You don't want to mess up your lace because you only got one, I'm assuming. So you want to make it right. So also you need a spray bottle with some water. It's just easier. You can use mousse, just something to wet the hair to make it easier to see what you're doing. And you want to make sure that after you pluck a section, you do comb out that hair, so that way you're not accidentally over plucking because you think it's still hair right there. Make sure you're clearing out the hair after each section that you pluck. I'm using a fine tooth comb. Any type of comb is fine, or brush, it's fine. Like, just make sure that you're getting all of that hair out of your way. And then I'm just, as you can see, like, you don't have to go super far back because you're not trying to pluck the whole like frontal, but you want to go far back enough to where when you put your hair down, you move it out the way and all this, it will look as natural as possible. Also, you do want to make sure that you comb it all forward again so that you can see what your progress is looking like. I do go in to the very front just to like undo the straight line that they have there, just to make it a little bit jagged and more natural, like an actual hairline would be. This hairline was kind of thick. I did end up plucking out a decent amount of hair, which I will show you later on in the video after I'm done plucking the entire thing. It's kind of hard to see exactly how much I'm plucking while it's on the mannequin head, but once I put it on my sister, because this is for her, this is her wig, then you will definitely be able to see the difference between what it was looking like before I plucked it to what it was looking like when she was wearing it. So now I'm just moving on to the next side. And again, I'm doing the exact same thing as I did in the middle. You want to part off that little pre-plucked section that they had, and then you just want to go ahead, go ham, girl, go ham on that hairline to make it not thick, because you want this to look as natural as possible. I know some people just like throw on their wigs right from out the box. Most hair companies, I feel like, do not pre-pluck it good enough to my satisfaction. But you do have those companies that say, oh, this is pre-plucked, and it's actually pre-plucked, and you don't even want to touch it because it looks so good. But I have yet to experience that, so for me, I just go ahead and pluck it to my liking. And even if it was plucked real good, I probably still pluck it just a little bit just because I'm ignorant. But that don't matter. So the purpose is to make it look like your hairline, to make it look as natural as possible, and to just get it to where you are very comfortable, very happy with it. So like I said, just want to move that tweezer all around the hairline, comb out that hair, and you can see already it's getting thinner. Like the hairline is becoming more realistic, and that's what we're going for. right, so right here, y'all, I'm just trying to show y'all the difference of a pluck side versus an unplucked side. Like I said, it's hard to see on the mannequin a little bit, but it is something that you can tell. And this is how much hair I plucked out so far. It's a lot. Like I said, you know, sometimes the hair comes really thick and you just need to get up in there. But this is the finished plucking result, you guys, on the mannequin. I will show y'all what it looks like on my sister's head because, it's like I said, it's hard to see. So here we go to see what it looks like on her head. Bam! Like, look at that. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Like, that would not have been possible without that extra pluck. You know what I'm saying? Thank you so much for watching this video. I know it was a quick one, but I do hope you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with everybody you know. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace!